Hello class, I hope you're keeping safe and busy. I know that our meetings have been canceled as far as class meetings goes. However, that doesn't mean that our learning has stopped. I have put a list of things on Blackboard that need to be accomplished for the next 2 weeks so that we are on track. Most of them are the regular things that have been there. You need to review chapter 2 if you have to review the math and the problems. You also have vocabulary from chapters 3 to 6 that you need to pick 100 terms from to define in the SEEK format. Your Journal of Terminology is due April 9th. And remember, there's 100 terms there. Also, we started the chemistry chapter, and your math and chemistry quiz, which was going to happen on March 26th, is now happening on April 2nd. So you need to make sure that you read chapter 5 and do all the questions there. Also, there's a Q&A forum that is on Blackboard. You can ask any questions regarding the course or material there, and you can also answer if you think you have the answer. And I'll be checking regularly just to make sure the content and the accuracy of those answers are right. And also, I am here in my office doing regular scheduled office hours. So you're welcome to come. I'm also here during the time that we would have met in person. You're welcome to come and talk to me individually about anything regarding the course. Okay, so stay safe and happy learning.